So hey guys, good morning once more again. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brgy Kho and this is Lakbaylaag Kho. And for this video, we're gonna do another adventure in which we're going to Onion part of Siargao. It is an eastern part of Siargao. But before that, say hi, good morning to the sun. Good morning, sunshine. And I'm here actually, guys, in Dapa. Of course, as you can see, there's a great view right there in front of me, and of course I'm with my friend. She really wanted to be included for this for this clip, but later on she will be on this video. And of course, guys, so let's meet our new friends in 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you.
Okay, so finally we made it here in Onion, in which we have meet my new friend. Hi. Shout out to El Buang. So finally El Buang is in the house. Yeah, so finally El Buang is in the house. So later on we're gonna meet our new friends. So alright guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel once more again. And today's we will meet our new friends here, the Siargao vloggers. Shout out to El Buang and to all guys here. Of course, one of my friends as well. Shout out to Rotbu. And one of El Buang's companion right there over there. Shout out to them. And today's video, we're gonna explore this barangay Onion, which is part of Dapa, right? Dapa. We're gonna explore this part of Siargao, and without further ado, let's get into it. So, let's go!
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you are real right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer, now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry.
So yeah, finally we made it here in this surfing spot of Onion. This is the paradise spot of Siargao. The surfing paradise. There's some people right there. They're playing surfboard and waiting for the waves to come up, and there you go. Let's see how the surfing going on and how live of a surfer. So here we go.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you are real right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer, now I'm waiting.
So guys, let's meet James, the El Buang of Siargao, the surfer, one of the surfer here in Siargao. And I would like to ask you, buddy, what makes you decide to be a vlogger?
Oh no!
What makes you decide to be a vlogger?
Bisay ara-ara.
No.
Okay, so I'm gonna subtitle. I'm gonna speak a local language here right now in 3, 2, 1. Ano nag-vlogger man ka?
Oh yeah, ako ra passion.
Passion. Passion de amor.
Passion. Passion.
Passion. Okay, passion de amor. See. Okay, so yung say kuan kanang nganong giganahan man ka mag-vlog?
Kuan.
Aside sa passion nimo ha.
Ganahan ko
Timos.
Dili. Kuan, aside sa passion, ganahan ako mag-post ng mga video. Kuya, hilig ko ra.
Nice. Pero you know what guys, one of the best what I like about El Buang, because his contents really makes you laugh and
you know, it's stress you free.
Yeah.
Yes, and that is also one of the trademark of the Bisaya people. You know, so everything here is beautiful, and you guys, you can take a photo shot, videography, and of course the surfing, which is one of the surfing spot of Siargao, the paradise, right? Yeah, paradise. So
It's located in Union.
so I'm gonna put all the description of the DIY descriptions. I'm gonna put all the DIY details on the description. Sorry. So let's move it.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now.
So guys, I'm already here in the main road, and we're just finished from the paradise. So right now we're gonna move to the next spot, next destination, which is the Duot Beach, or known as the Malinao Secret Beach, together with them. But for now, I'm just here waiting in the main road because Jesus went first because I don't have a motorbike yet. Because of motorbike, don't have motorbike for now. But then they're gonna go to pick me up here a little bit after they reach to the barangay. So yes, kawawa ko. So here we go. Let's move in. Here in Malinao Secret Beach. Secret Beach. So as you can see guys, I'm gonna show you the beautiful spot here, the bridge project right behind us. That's a unfinished bridge project going to the onion part, and that's the other side was the barangay Onion, part of Dapa, municipality of Dapa. And this spot where it's very nice for, you know, chill and chillax, and of course you can do as well guys, like go to the mangrove tour, like go by a boat or something, paddle boat and so on. You have to roam around the beautiful spot here, and of course photo shoot as well. So within this, I'm gonna share with you there's a few angles of this spot in this video, so let's check it out.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer, now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You're looking to my
in our tripping shooting here in Manila Secret Beach. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm gonna end this video for this moment, but please do me a favor to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and of course don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will get notified every time we upload a new video. Of course guys, share to your friends and leave a comment down below if you have suggestions or a great place to enjoy and to explore. Please just let me know in the comment box below. And of course, shout out time to your friends. Shout out to Yasssy, Fried Chicken, Elijah Cakes and Pastries, and of course Miss Akaliwan, thank you so much for always supporting, and Miss B, yes, thank you so much as well. And to all the team Siargao, shout out to all of you guys. Oh wait, thank you so much for watching until here, and of course guys, please do support on our every channels. All their channels was on the description of this video, and of course see you on our next vlogs. Thank you so much.